Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making the fresh, colourful, and super healthy salad that's perfect for lunch, dinner, or even as a side dish. Our first ingredient is cabbage. Slice it thinly into fine shreds. Cabbage makes the perfect crunchy base and is rich in vitamin C and fiber. Next, we're adding red and yellow bell peppers. Slice them into thin strips so every bite has that sweet. Crisp flavor, these peppers add a pop of color and are packed with antioxidants and vitamin A. Now let's prepare zucchini. You can slice it into thin half moons or julienne it into noodle-like strips. Zucchini adds a fresh, mild taste and the softer texture that balances the crunchy. Our vegetables add in cherry tomatoes. They also add a bright tang and a boost of antioxidants. Sliced in half, their juicy sweetness blends beautifully with the crisp veggies. Broccoli is a powerhouse veggie, full of fiber, vitamin K and folate. Next up is broccoli. Chop it into small bite-sized florets so it's easy to eat raw. If raw broccoli feels too strong, You can quickly blanch it in boiling water for 1 minute to soften the flavor, then cool it before adding. Finally, add green leaf lettuce. The lettuce lightens the salad and balances the dense textures of broccoli and cabbage. Look at that shredded cabbage, sweet peppers, fresh zucchini, juicy cherry tomatoes, vibrant broccoli, and crisp lettuce all in one colorful bowl. Drizzle the dressing over your vegetables and gently toss until everything is coated. This salad is crunchy, refreshing, and full of nutrients. You can enjoy it as a light meal on its own. Pair it with some grilled protein. Or serve it as a healthy side dish. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, healthy ideas. See you in the next video.